Praveen sir has been with NJH since a very long time, and all these speakers for today, they are very senior people and very well known in the fraternity. So I need not say much about it. However, I can talk about his one or two things. His research in AIDS and HIV is amazing. The kind of results which he has, I'm very sure that it is going to bring back the faith of the modern medicine in homeopathy. He has been the trustee of GHF, and the best thing about him is his wit and presence of mind. He is such a wonderful speaker, so that I will not be amongst him and you. So, sir, I'll just invite you to take the stage and start your presentation, sir.
Good evening, dear friends. First of all, I should tell you, all of you are welcome to this SSMS. First time, Dr. Vishpala came to me after I presented my paper in NJH SSMS first one. And he came to me and told me, why do you present your case by reading a paper? Because that was my first experience. From then on, today we are seeing a webinar. So like, it may be a transformation in my level, and it's also a transformation in NJH. We have to be abreast with the latest technology. We are doing that, try to be the best. And believe me, I swear, even I could not understand the title given by Dr. Vishpala. So there was a discussion between Vrushali and Vishpala about quick on draw, quick to draw, all these things. Anyway, I could understand a little, and I try to do that, what best I can. Quick in the prescription. At least Dr. Vishpala did some reportization by the side of the bed. I thank Dr. Vrushali for introducing me and saying that I am, in fact, I should tell you, Vrushali, people call me AIDS Praveen. I don't have AIDS. Like a walking stick. The stick does not walk. Okay? So that like. Anyway. Now, first of all, our salutation to the master. And today, in fact, other master birthday, Dr. GLN Shastri's birthday also. So warm wishes from GHF and NJH to all of you. And today, we will try to understand unknown angle of a known remedy. Remedy is already known. 6-year-old girl was brought to the clinic for, I will be faster, Dr. Vrushali is partial. In fact, she gave a lot of time to Bhaskar Bhai, later some time to Vishpala Madam, and I don't know what will happen to the fifth speaker. She would say, you just be present and go. Okay, anyway, I don't want to take much time. So headache for the past 1 year, pain all over the head, more on the right side. Girl was not able to explain the character of the pain. Mind well, she is 6-year-old girl. Pain could come at any time, day or night, no modality. Daily or once in 2 days or once in a week. But very severe pain, very severe unbearable pain. It can last for a whole day or even for 2 to 3 days. If it was severe, which was on many occasions, she used to vomit. And vomiting, whatever she was eating earlier. The vomiting does not relieve the headache. At times even might aggravate. Analgesics might alleviate the pain because the parents are doctors. Massage with coconut oil, which is common here nowadays. In fact, whenever I go to a hair cutting salon, I ask him to do that also. It ameliorates at times. No time or season modality. So when she has headache, she does not want to eat or drink anything. Usually it happens excepting in very few drugs only. Now there is no phonophobia or photophobia. There is no change in her behavior during the pain. There is no aura. All the examination findings showed NAD. My sir used to tell me, whenever you see in the reports NAD, NAD, at the end you will get MAD. You will become MAD. That's what it happens to most of the doctors. MRI brain was essentially normal. Why I used the essentially normal? It was written like that only. Psychologists evaluated and found nothing abnormal because that was also an angle thinking. Probably the child was complaining unnecessarily. A neurologist said, get her evaluated by the psychologist in this corporate hospital. Usually corporate hospital, they do that even if you don't want. Like a man can also be examined by a gynecologist, which is essentially in a corporate hospital. So it happens. Anyway, the personal history, very significant. Born through elective LSCS, uneventful antenatal history. She is very, very good at studies. Of course, 6 years is too young. But in our Hyderabad, from the pregnancy onwards, the children are admitted to the schools. Though pampered by the parents, being lone child, she never behaved improperly. There is no negativity according to the parents about the behavior of the child. Past history, this is very important. She was operated upon for arteriovenous malformation of the brain in her third year. She was absolutely all right for 2 years of the operation. Family history, this is very, very important. Vrushali, we are coming to that. Both the parents are dentists having tremendous practice apart from working as faculty in private dental college. Here, brief history about the father. I'm not talking about the child because the child does not have a big history. Father was on a deathbed in 2004 due to AIDS. It spread to brain and he was in a semi-unconscious state, and he was asked by the doctors to take him home so that he will die in front of his relatives. In fact, this is the principle of corporate hospitals because at least statistical wise, they won't have a death in their hospital. On the way to their home, they stopped at our clinic because the uncle of this gentleman was very close family friend and a patient of mine. They said, Dr. Praveen, why don't you give the last medicine? I said, is it LAST or LOST? It would be probably either ways, LAST or LOST. We have treated him for 3 years to become negative. He became mind well, no exaggeration. He became negative. I have the reports, but I can't share with you because he requested me not to disclose. He's a doctor, I his profession, I pleaded. This is very essential. This was my first experience with HIV case, which became negative with 3 years of treatment. The drugs which I've used, only 3 drugs, gelcvium, lithium carb, and lycopodium, in almost all potencies. He had aminopia, all those things, lithium carb into picture, and constitution-wise, lycopodium was given. He was completely cured, I could say. You would also endorse that. It became negative. He tested in 3 important labs. It became negative, but he did not want it to be disclosed to the world. In fact, his wife was advised by his own parents that she should get married to some other gentleman because he is going to die. But he did not die. Good. And then, after 1 year or so, after the treatment almost was concluded, he asked me, can they go for children? I said, yes. So they were blessed with a girl. And here one important point, why lycopodium was his constitution. He did not even come to me and offer me at least one piece of jalebi, that he was blessed with a girl. So he was typical lycopodium. So that's what he was cured of it. This is the background history of this girl's father, right? So she was diagnosed to have migraine and she was prescribed with Sibelium and some other drugs. I don't need to take those names. Some drugs, very powerful drugs. And this gentleman, being dentist, he read the literature and he also knew about those drugs. And he was apprehensive to give those drugs. So the father, mother, in fact, they came to the clinic after so long a period of gap. What drug should we give? Vrushali. Quick.
Yes, sir. Lycopodium.
Should we?
Yes.
No.
No.
I was told, and it is there in Materia Medica, that if lycopodium were to be the drug, unless you are 100% sure, don't start with lycopodium. It is given in Allen's keynotes. I was not 100% sure. Right? But what is the major problem here? What should we understand? The father's history. That is very important. The whole research what I have done so far. 3 years of tremendous success. 43,000 patients in our JSPS. And 2,500 patients with me in my clinic. Crotalus horridus. I selected immediately. I give 30. Believe me, for the past 5 years, there is no headache. The girl is absolutely all right. For my academic interest, I asked my assistant to do the repatriation with all those vague words, symptoms, including AIDS rubric. The drugs which came up were arsenic, gelsim, and Mexal. Crotalus horridus was not there. Now, the conclusion. So, Vishali, you have still more time with me, right? The conclusion here,
Yes,
we
sir.
should add a rubric for Crotalus horridus. Past or family history of HIV or AIDS. You must think of Crotalus horridus. Thank you very much. All of you, come back to NJH family if you're not already there, and let us have continuous webinars later on also. Thank you very much.